Do this one. Last day we were discussing this question. I think do this now. We have to show that the left side is equals to the right side. Yes, let me know. Are you able to do or not? Okay, then I'll be giving more questions. The first one at first. Okay. Yes. Please try it and let me know. Are you done with the first one?
Ma'am, I don't understand the second one.
The second one. Are you done with the first one? Yes, everyone.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you done with the first one? Okay. Let me. Yes. First, let me ask from everyone. Then only I can read the first one. Actually, just a second. Afnan, are you done with the first one? Adyan, are you done with the first one? Yeah, sure. I'll explain it. Let me explain it. So here we are having cosec minus cot. We can write cosec as a 1 by sine. Okay. And cot we can write as a cos by sine. Here we can take out sine as a LCM. Okay. The same denominator is there, so we don't have to think about it. 1 minus cos will be having. Now the question is how to create this 1 plus cos, okay, and 1 minus cos. Okay, the square is also there. Square is also there. See, the numerator you can write it as a 1 minus cos. That's a square. And the denominator is sine square, which can be written as 1 minus cos square. Yes or no? Which can be written as the denominator looks like a square minus b square. See, this 1 can be written as 1 square and minus cos square you are having in the denominator, which can be written as 1 plus cos theta. This is just the denominator's part I am showing to you. Okay, let me know if here it is not making sense to you, then let me know. We can write it as a 1 plus cos theta in one bracket, and in the other bracket we can write it as a 1 minus cos theta. And the numerator, one of the 1 minus cos theta, we can cancel out with the denominator 1, and then we will be done with the proof. Are you getting it? Okay. So yes, Afnan got it. Adyan, Alvina, Zunad, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. The next one. Okay, Aisha asked the next one. So next one, it's given that sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 is equals to 0. From here, from this part, we can write that sec theta plus tan theta is equals to minus 1. Yes or no? From the given part, we can write it, right? But we don't have to find sec theta plus tan theta. We have to find sec theta minus tan theta. So there is a formula that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. There is a formula. Let me try scrolling down. Yeah. There is a formula that sec square theta minus tan square theta that is equals to 1. That means we can again use a square minus b square formula, and we can write it as a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in
Ma'am,
another.
I didn't get why are we writing square in second time? And that should be minus one, no? Why it's positive one?
This is the formula identity. There are three identity, Aisha. That sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The formula, three formulas we are having. Okay. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Can you recall all the three formulas? The first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1.
Yes, ma'am, that I know, but the question itself is like sec theta plus tan theta. How can we put square in that?
I'm just writing the formula over here. First, we have taken out sec theta plus tan theta is minus 1. Just keep it aside. Let's take now formula. Okay, now we can
Okay.
extend the formula like this, and at the place of sec theta plus tan theta, we can write minus 1 now from this taken part from the equation. And this one sec theta minus tan theta we will keep like this, and from here here we will be getting the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sec theta minus tan theta will be just 1 by minus 1, that means negative 1. Is it clear to all of you? Whatever is given in the question, we are taking out one information, one data from here, and we are keeping it aside. Then we are using the formula and we are trying to expand it. Then from here we realize that yeah, from here we will be able to find sec theta minus tan theta, and this is the value. We have put it, we have substituted the value of sec theta plus tan theta from equation number 1 over. Okay. Now the next, the third one. Please find the value of sin square 30 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Please do. Previous one is this sin square 30 degree plus cos square 60. I am writing it as we will be discussing both together. Okay, the previous one I am writing again sin square 30 degree plus cos square 60. You have to find the final answer from this by doing the calculation. Just a second. Yes, are you done with this too? Are you
And
done?
second one I don't.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, these two questions are very simple. Okay, maybe it is simplification we have to do over here, calculation we have to do over here. But for this one, first we'll be doing this one. Sine square 30 plus cos square 60. Can you tell me what is the sine 30 value for sine 30?
2, 3 by 2. Oh, sorry, 1 by 2.
930 is 1 by 2.
Right, square plus cos 60 values
Root 3
Cos
by 2.
60 is 1 by 2.
1 by 2, right?
Yes.
Yes, it is 1 by 2. Okay, so the simplification is that basic. See, by 4. And the answer is 1 by 2. Just that. The first one, sine A is 3 by 4, then sec A is equals to Sine A is this one, then cos A we can find. We know the identity, that is sine square A plus cos square A, that is equals to 1. Okay, sine A is 3 by 4, so we'll be writing 3 by 4 complete square over here. Okay, plus cos square A is equals to 1. Okay, from here we'll be getting cos square A is equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square will be 9 by, if we will do 3 by 4 complete square, it will be 9 by 16. Then we will do the subtraction, 1 minus 9 by 16. We will be getting the LCM we have to take as a 16. Okay, 16 minus 9. That means what we will be having, please tell me, cos square A will be what? 1 minus 9 by 16 is what? Please tell me. Anyone who has already done?
Ma'am, which question is this?
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, I think which question is this?
Let me write it down. Sine A is 3 by 4. Then sec A. Yeah. There are so many ways of doing it. You can draw a triangle, you can try doing it, or you can use the formula. Okay, so I was showing you by using the formula. If you have started by taking the triangle, right angle triangle, then by finding the remaining side by using Pythagoras theorem, that is also perfect. I am showing you method 2. Okay, don't get confused. If you have used method 1, great, but our answer has to be same. Okay, method 2 is we can use this formula, that is sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Okay, here we will put sine A and we will be getting the value of cos A. Please tell me what is cos A. Then we can do the reciprocal of that to get sec A. Getting it? Getting it? Now only we figured it out that cos square A is
I did
1
by
minus.
right angle geometry.
Okay, then our answer has to be same. It will be 9 by 16. Okay, that means 16 minus 9. Just a second. We will be having cos square A over here as 7 by 16. We will be having cos A as 7 by, if we will be taking root 16, that will be 4, just 4. Okay, so this is cos A. Sec is just the reciprocal of cos. So we will be getting 4 by root 7. That's called reciprocal. If we will take the denominator and we will write it to numerator, and if we will take the numerator, we will write it in denominator. That's called the reciprocal. So we got sec. Same answer you must have got by using right angle triangle. Yes or no? Right? Right?
Yes.
Let me give the next question. Trigonometric table, all the values must be on your tips. So the next question is 2 tan 45 degree, because from trigonometry the question can't be that tricky and that tough. Okay, they can only give you this type of question, and if you know trigonometric values 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, then this type of question is very simple. Okay, please calculate it now.
Ma'am, for this I got 2 root 3.
Yes, everyone got the same. Is it 2 root 3? Tan 45 is
2
1
by root 3.
by root
2
3.
by root 3.
Cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Sin 30 is again 1 by 2. So we can say 2 and 2. So in numerator just 1 and in denominator 1 by 2. Yeah. That means 1 multiplied by 2 by 2. Have I written anything incorrect over here? Tan 45 is 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. Yeah. Root 3. Aisha,
Ma'am, by mistake I took tan 45's value as 1 by root 3.
please check it. What are you getting? Is it just 2 or what?
Yes, now I got your answer.
Okay, it is just if Q is an
Ma'am,
acute
there is
angle.
one question.
Yeah, please tell me.
Cos A is equals to 1, then what will be the value of tan A?
Cos A is 1, then tan A will be. Okay, let's try finding tan A. We have to. Let's try finding. Either we can use the formula or we can use. Just a second. Or we can use the identity. Let's try using identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. From here, it is clearly visible that we are going to get sine A as a 0, right? Right? Yes or no? And if we will be getting sine A as a 0, cos A as a 1, then tan A will be, tan A can be written as sine A by cos A. That means sine A is 0 and cos A is 1, 0 by 1. The answer is 0. Please don't say it is not defined. Don't say it is not defined. Answer is 0. Because 0 by 1 is defined, but 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, if you are getting 0 by 2, it is fine, the answer will be 0. But if in case you are getting 2 by 0, then say that it is not defined, because 0 in the denominator is not okay, but 0 in the numerator is fine. Getting it? The answer over here is 0, Aisha. 0 can be the answer. मैथमेटिक्स में 0 आंसर भी हमें कहीं मिल सकता है, और it's completely okay to get 0. Okay, answer is 0.
Okay.
Yes, I was giving one question. Let me write it. If Q is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2, then sin Q plus cos Q is equals to, we will discuss it. Okay, we will discuss it. Let's try doing it. If Q is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2, equation is given. And on the basis of this information, we are supposed to find this. Now, what can be done over here from the given part? from the given part. This is such a good question. Okay, from the given part, tan theta plus cot theta we are having over here. I am going to write directly cot as a 1 by tan. Okay, is equals to 2. Now let's continue. We are trying to simplify the given part. Okay, if you will take the LCM, here the denominator is 1, here the denominator is tan, so the LCM will be tan, right? Okay, and in numerator what we will be having, can you tell me, anyone, quickly?
Tan square plus 1.
Tan square theta plus 1 will be having is equals to, okay, that means we are having tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 2 tan theta. Okay, and here we will take the assumption that for now just we want to write tan theta as a x or maybe 1. Okay, just for few steps we will be writing it as a x or 1. We are not doing any drastic change, we are just writing, okay, your name is, for few steps your name is y. Okay, so this became y square, this is 1, and this is 2y. Now does it looks like a quadratic equation? Yes or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, and we will try solving this quadratic equation. Let's try finding y. Y will be, this is just a formula, or you can use split in the middle term. A minus b whole square formula is there. Think about it. Y minus 1 whole square formula is there because a square b square minus 2ab is there. Or you can also do splitting of middle term. You will be getting the same. Okay, so y we will be getting from here 1. Y we got 1, but y, originally y is tan theta. There is like, y doesn't exist even, we have just given the name to tan theta as a y, so that means tan theta is 1. If tan theta is 1, then theta will be, tan कितने डिग्री का वैल्यू 1 होता है?
Ma'am, could you please explain the last part again?
Yes, I said
What
that
you did after y minus 1 whole square is equal to 0.
if you will try removing this square, square will get converted to square root. Square root doesn't make sense over here. Okay, because 0 is 0, so y minus 1 is equals to 0. Square gone, became square root or just vanished because 0 is there. So y value is 1, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Y is 1, so y is nothing but just tan theta. मैंने बोला था सिर्फ दो तीन कुछ स्टेप्स के लिए हम y लिखते हैं tan theta को. Okay, so y is nothing but tan theta. हमें y is equals to 1 मिला, that means tan theta is equals to 1. Now we will think tan कितने डिग्री का वैल्यू 1 होता है? Tan 45 degree.
Yes.
So we will write like this, tan theta is equals to 1 के प्लेस पे हम लिखेंगे, ये तो tan 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू है. 1 क्या है? tan 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू है. यहाँ से कंपैरिजन करेंगे बोथ साइड, तो हमें थीटा के क्या मिलेगा? 45 डिग्री. ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, नोट इट डाउन. Okay, this is such a good question, you can note it down. From here we are getting theta as a 45 degree, tan theta as it is we are writing 1, means 1 is nothing but tan 45 degree, so at the place of 1 we are writing tan 45. Now we are doing the comparison on both sides and we ended up getting theta as a 45 degree. Okay, now this theta we will be using for calculating whatever is asked. That theta is nothing but 45 degree, so sine cube 45 we need to find, and plus cos cube 45 we need to find, which is very simple. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, that cube we will be doing, and cos 45 again is 1 by root 2, that cube we will be doing. We will try doing the simplification and we will get our answer. Is it crystal clear to all of you that what we did exactly over here? Tan theta plus cot theta was 2. We just converted this cot in tan, and the place of cot I have written 1 by tan, and then little bit of simplification we did, and I noticed that this is quadratic form. Okay, but I want you also to notice it. That's why I have taken tan as a y. Now you will identify it as well. Oh yeah, yes, it is quadratic in form. So we can find the root, and we got the root. Y is a 1. Okay, you can use the splitting the middle term, you can use the formula. Y is 1 means tan theta is 1. Okay, that means tan theta is tan 45 degree. From here we are getting theta as a 45 degree. Now whatever is asked, if we know theta, we can do the calculation. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Is it clear?
Ma'am, then we put values of sin 45 whole cube and then cos 45 whole cube. We get the answer.
Yeah, yeah. Sine q 45 plus we will get the answer, and that will be the final answer. That means 1 by root 2, that's whole cube. Again 1 by root 2, that's whole cube. Okay, now we will try doing the simplification over here. So cube, when you will do root 2 into root 2 into root 2, think about it, you will be getting 2 to root 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we are getting 2 root 2 in the denominator after doing the cube. Here also the same 2 root 2. Okay. LCM will be the same, denominator is there. LCM is no doubt, it is just 2 root 2. 1 plus 1 we can add. It will be 2 by 2 root 2. Okay. 2 2 gone and 1